Hello guys. In this tutorial, we are going to create our second uh, chart. So let's go to create it together. Okay. Here, let's come to get our chart. For XX, let's put sales, and then also previous year sales, last year sales. No, I want one of the wonderful. Okay. Then in Y-axis, we are going to find customer. Yeah, customer names. Cool. Little bit, guys. Okay, was to make a little bit raise, and you can see I'm going to give a little bit space. Yeah, the top four. So you see how to simple, guys, to create your amazing or your dreams dashboard. You see how we start and how we build, and now look, guys, how it looks. It's so perfect, right? I hope you guys learning something new here and how to become a master in data analyze and data science. I always say you to become a master. So this word I'm always saying you in my tutorials, guys. Why I'm saying you? Because you are going to this course, you are learning everything. I hope, guys, you are learning something new. So from here, we are going to create our KPIs. Only left our KPIs. We are going to create all KPIs. And guys, if you are new here, like, subscribe, and to sharing, and those who want to learning, and your friends, someone that want to learning, or any groups to share. So like this amazing course to learning, I hope, because I want to help those who want to learning. It's so many people, they are asking, always questions, they always writing, they always posting. So because of that, I made this course to help those people. I'm happy to help. See you in my next tutorial. Don't forget, be on time, done to learning these things.